Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have to make a lasagna for a client, and I decided to record it so it won't be exactly in depth. I already have a lasagna recipe on this channel, but I just wanted to record it and show you guys. I don't know why, but let's get into this recipe. This is actually Thanksgiving Day right now, around 6 a.m. But this is my turkey. You want to cook the turkey down and brown it. To that, I'm going to add some onions, celery, and carrots, as well as spicy girl. Just like this. You want to mix it up and get it nice and seasoned. If you don't have my spice, you can order it at www.mishascorner.com. I will put my other lasagna recipe below so you guys can see what it looks like once you cut it open. I'm also going to season this with some chili powder, just like this. Look at me, I can't even get it out. So I'm going to probably pop the top off and pour it down. There we go. And you just want to really season this and really get some deep flavor down in here. Next, I'm going to start adding my tomato products. I went with like the crushed tomatoes because I wanted more flavor. As you can see, all my tomato products have some type of flavor to them. Example, this salsa. Who put salsa in their, lasagna? Only me, because you really want to add flavor down in there. You can't mess this meat up. If you mess up the meat, the whole thing is gonna go to hell. So you want to mix that up, get it nice and cooked down just like this. Next, I'm going to add my chicken stock down in here. You want to add quite a bit of chicken stock because you want to cook your meat down for about an hour. I covered it and cooked it for an hour in my food processor. This thing is going way too fast. Alright, so in the food processor, I have a bunch of basil, some parsley, and 6 large garlic cloves. We're gonna add this to our lasagna, our ricotta mixture, just like this, half of it to our ricotta mixture, and the other half we're gonna add to the meat mixture right at the end. So now we're on to the ricotta mixture. I'm gonna add this hot jalapeno and habanero jack cheese to my ricotta mixture, as well as some salt and some pepper, as you can see right here. You want to mix this up really well, and this is just going to be like a whole entire layer for the lasagna. And this is what it looks like. It smells so good. It's super flavorful because we added that basil and garlic and parsley. Alright, you guys, so these are the last ingredients we're going to add. Of course, the herb mixture that we made earlier, and balsamic vinegar is my secret weapon. The meat has been cooking a long time, so it needs that little pick-me-up. As well as I'm going to add a tablespoon and a half of sugar because I want to balance the tomato sauce. The goal is not to be sweet, but to be balanced. But if you want sweet, you can add more. It's totally up to you. This is what the meat looks like after an hour of simmering. It's just so tender. It's so flavorful and delicious. Like, all those tomato products, like I said, I never just buy straight up tomato with nothing. The more flavor you add, the better your meals will be. You want to add your green mixture that we made earlier in the food processor. Your little bit of sugar, just like that. Again, it's just to balance it, not to make it sweet. I don't like a sweet lasagna or pasta dish, just not for me. Couple drops of the balsamic vinegar to pick it right up. Mix that up and cook it down for another 10 to 15 minutes, and that's it for the meat. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just going to put everything together. I'm going to speed step this and just, go all the way to the end. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. So sorry I couldn't cut it open. Like I said in the beginning, this was made for someone else. However, I will link my original lasagna recipe below so you guys can see me cut into it and you can see all the tea, honey. So thanks for watching. Love you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.